Hello, I'm Michael Lisi, and I'm at the WolfVision booth number 1735 at InfoComm 2019 in Orlando, Florida. We're glad you're with us. We're going to be showing you our VZ8-UHD. Now, this is the finest presentation camera ever invented. It is the world's first 4K tabletop visualizer that has native optical zoom of 16x. What we're talking about really is an incredible image. We are enabling you to see detail in physical components, documents, presentation of objects like we've never seen before. As we zoom out, you're going to notice this new model actually has moved a lot of our graphic components and controls to the head of the unit. This is really incredible. When you get to this depth of view, you'll notice you start to see that certain parts of the image are zoomed in and focused and certain parts are not because we're at such high detail. And this preview monitor actually has up to 9 different fields, or when you tap on certain parts of the image, it will automatically focus in on what you want to see. So if I can focus on the main component, but as I focus on content from the background, it automatically focuses to the background. You see how that works. We're really getting the benefit of that high resolution with this camera. We also are natively streaming this 4K video content over IP. So this is also going to be an encoder for auxiliary devices. So when added to a classroom, this can become a streaming device for that classroom system. And you can see over here on the left, we're actually streaming the video from our visualizer directly to this other monitor. For more information about absolutely incredible presentation cameras that can be used in all kinds of spaces, please check us out on the web at wolfvision.com, and we hope to see you soon.